Hi, this is Eliot from Workload. In this video, we'll be creating a workflow, starting with an invitee created in Calendly, and then the action of adding a spreadsheet row in Google Sheets. All right, let's build a workflow. So we're going to start here at the Workload editor, and we're going to go ahead and give our workflow a title. So this will be Calendly to Sheets. And we're going to select a trigger by clicking inside the trigger box. And this will be in Calendly. And our event is going to be an invitee created. I'm going to connect to my Calendly account. I'm going to test this trigger. So this workflow is going to initiate whenever a new invitee is created in Calendly. All right, so we have a new invitee that we found, Sweat Drizzle. So that'll work. We can click continue. And then our action is going to be in Google Sheets. And the event that we are going to use is create spreadsheet row. Connect to my Google Sheets account. And then the spreadsheet that I want to be adding a row to is going to be my test spreadsheet. And there's only one worksheet here within that spreadsheet, sheet 1. And then I'm going to click on this black button that says add to. And in the column name of name, I'm going to click inside this data box, come down here to this drop-down menu, and find the name right there of my invitee. And I'm going to click the add to again. In the second column is going to be email. And I'm going to come down here and find the email address of that invitee. All right, so now I've got the information that I want from my trigger, and it's going to be added to my spreadsheet. So I can click continue. We can test that action. Looks like we have a success here. So I'm going to click continue. I'm going to come over and look at my spreadsheet and see, oh, there it is. Sweat Drizzle was just added. So it looks like that's working the way I want. There's a green dot in each of my nodes, so I can activate my workflow. And then whenever a new invitee is created in Calendly, it'll automatically add their name and email address to my spreadsheet. So that's the simple process of building a workflow that automatically adds information to a spreadsheet row when a new invitee is created in Calendly. Please like and subscribe to this video to get more content from Workload about how to make your business practices flow more smoothly. And I'll see you next time.